It's alive! Let's look at the video.
I do want to see the video.
And you should be so lucky. Yeah, I'll take it.
Ready?
No luck? Dang it, we came out of the cliff?
Yeah. There's the floating grip.
I was gonna say, thanks floating grip. Whoa! Oh, at least it's not that deep. Is it still on?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey y'all, Milo's Wildlife is taking on the Catawba River today. I'm at the Whitewater Center just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. And honestly, I think this place rocks. They are so accessible. They're right outside of the city of Charlotte. And honestly, they do everything for you. Paddle, life jacket, kayak. They're obviously not too far away from the airport, so it's super easy to get to. There's lots of people that come visit here. It's a perfect place if you haven't been out in nature before, maybe you don't know where to go paddling, you don't know where to go rock climbing, zip lining, all those sorts of activities, because at the end of the day, even though it's called the Whitewater Center, WWC, it's not just about whitewater. You can do flat river stuff like we're doing today. You can go zip lining like I mentioned. There's tons of activities. In fact, after we're done on the water tonight, we're gonna change and head on over and have a couple of beers right next to the great view that is the Whitewater Center. Another great thing about the Whitewater Center is it's a perfect place to come and practice. If you're a little unsure about your rock climbing skills, instead of going out to maybe a climbing gym or going out in nature to do it, come here and you can practice some more, and maybe even climb over some water and do it into their kind of deep dive pool. Definitely a recommendation to do a full day pass and just hit it all for your first time coming to the Whitewater Center. Today, all we went ahead and signed up for was the flat water kayaking. I'm definitely not brave enough for the rapid kayaking quite yet, but maybe if I come enough to the Whitewater Center, I'll be brave enough to hit the rapids with a kayak. You ready? Let's hit it. Ugh. Everyday life for wildlife.